Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make a Orzo salad with the vegetables. So I have a cherry tomato, basil, cucumber, and black olives. And I have just for taste, black pepper and parsley and salt. And also I have the giant cheese. One of our family friends, they gave that to us, and then we just opened it up like 3 days ago. And then I just wanna share with you how big it is. So I just got excited. But this is the second year already she gave that to us. But the first year was we have this fire here in our complex, and we will not be able to eat it because they let us evacuate in our complex. So we live in the hotel and we cannot get in our complex because of flooded. Then after that 2 days we came by and look up all the food in the fridge. My cheese is blown inside the fridge, so we cannot eat it. So I did not tell her because I don't want her to feel sad that we will be able to eat it, and I don't want her to buy again. Alright, so anyway, I'm going to share that to the other house because that's too much cheese for us. Okay, we'll get started. Okay, I just want to cut this in cube. I only need like not half, just like 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. Maybe have 1/2 cup. Just need 1/2 cup of this. Just cut it in cubes. You can use any kind of cheese like cheddar cheese or mozzarella. So I don't need to buy another cheese. I have so much cheese. This is a good cheese. I love it. It's not salty. Really good cheese. The Orzo, you cook the Orzo. Just follow the instructions on the back of the package, how to cook it, and you drain it. It's like a pasta. Alright, that's done. So this one, we just cut this one like half. The same also the black olives, just cut in half. So the cucumber, just peel it. We just cut also cubes. Alright, that's done. Okay, now this is going to slice the basil. You can also use Parmesan cheese if you want. So this is the Orzo that is already cooked, but I don't want to put all the vegetables right now. We need to cool this down because I don't want also the cheese will melt over there. And we'll see you a little bit. Alright everyone, here's my Orzo salad with vegetables. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Like the video. Okie dokie. See ya.